Firefighters are working to fight hundreds of brush fires and forest fires throughout the area. Tonight in Georgia alone, more than 125 fires are burning.
Crews are being called from all over the state to help tackle the fires and stop the spread, but resources are beginning to run low. We have team coverage of those fires this evening, and officials say when they think they have one under control, another one flares up. Let's start with Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Kate Smith joining us at Chickamauga Battlefield, where a fire had the potential to make a big impact. Kate, was there any damage?
Well, David, the brush fire here at the Chickamauga Battlefield is one of the hundreds of small fires popping up throughout the area. Luckily, crews were able to contain it right away, and there was no damage. Yellow caution tape blocks a trail at the Chickamauga Battlefield. Hikers weren't able to access the path as firefighters worked to control a small brush fire. A challenge at a national park with lots of historic markers.
And this is so we don't put the heavy equipment on the ground, so we don't disturb the ground, so we don't disturb the artifacts that are in the areas.
It is one of the hundreds of fires in the area. Crews with the Georgia Forestry Commission are battling more than 125 fires burning throughout the state.
Things that would normally burn they're burning, and they're burning quickly and intensely.
It is a battle they can't fight alone. Surrounding states pitch in to help when resources are running low.
When the fires break out, and it may start here in Georgia, but we know that it's going to be going to Tennessee. We know that if it hits the top of the ridge, that's Alabama. State
agencies in the Tennessee Valley share manpower, materials, and machinery.
Is when if we have a piece of equipment go down, we can talk with one of our cooperators and go, hey, can you send us an engine? Can you maybe send us a hand crew when our resources are getting thin?
It's been a long month for responders. They're exhausted and ready for relief. They say each day a new fire pops up and the machinery is beginning to wear down.
We break hoses, fittings break. We'll have electrical problems, sensors go out, and we've been running hard and fast for a few weeks now.
And with no significant rain in sight, firefighters know they still have a long battle to fight.
The local crews have been running this for months now. Everybody's getting tired. We've got the blisters going from walking and hiking, but spirits are good, morale is good. Officials with the Georgia Forestry Commission ask residents to remove leaves from their property, keep their grass cut short, and avoid grilling if possible. And if you do have to burn, you are asked to contact your local fire department. Now, due to the smoky conditions of these wildfires, public health officers are asking residents to take precautions.